Here's one of my instruments I finished. It's one of my Lyres. It has a popular body with a red cedar soundboard, has a wolf head and veneer written on the tailpiece. It is tuned to standard G, A, B, C, D, E. You know, when I started making these instruments, I had in mind like people doing reenactment, like SCA or some of the LARP groups and stuff like that. And you know, I tried. The sound of my instruments I compared to some of the really expensive, really expensive instruments like that. But I keep mine plain and simple. You know, I'm not. And one thing I don't do, all these instruments are made by hand, and maybe a few power drills and stuff like that. And I have like a router, and I have like a thing to mill the board, plane the boards down. But I don't use CNC machines, and I don't use like the ones with the laser engraved on it, like you see on Etsy and all that. It's pretty, man, but it's not authentic, and it don't look authentic. I mean, to me, it's not what I would think a reenactor would want. So I try to keep mine as simple looking as possible, right? Without too much crazy fancy artwork on it. But as a sound wise, I mean, I'll put it up against any of the expensive ones. A little strumming. Anyway, I enjoy building them. It's a great hobby. People seem to like them. I got a decent rating on Etsy. If you're interested in one, check out my Etsy shop. Have a good day.